Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 6th lesson lines and angles lesson introduction we will do. In this one, first what is a line? Line means, see beta, a line is a straight path that extends endlessly on both directions. See here, one line is there. You can how much extend also no problem. If there is a no measurement, how much you can, this board also not possible. That much extension possible, that is a line. Line means there is no end. This side also no end, this side also no end. Line means, see here, line means a straight line extends endlessly on both directions. See here, both directions, this direction, how much also you can extend this line. Next, line segment means what? What is a line segment? Part of a line having two end points is a line segment. Line segment means in this line we are taking only this much part. This part of a line is called a line segment. Line segment means exact measurement. Example, we are taking 2 centimeter line. See here we are taking 2 centimeter line. Here I am giving the name. See here correct measurement is there. 2 centimeter line we are taking. So this exact measurement is there, means it is called a line segment. Otherwise I am taking one line segment AB, that is, this is I am taking 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter means here measurement is there. So here measurement is there means it is called a line segment. For line segment, both side it should be a end points, but line is no end. It's no endless line. It is, see here, you can extend this side also, you can extend this side also, but line means exact measurement is there, means it is called a line. Part of a line is a line segment. Okay. Next we will go to ray. Ray means what? It is also a part of a line, but here only one end point. See here, example, here end point is there, but this side no ending. You can extend this side. So this is called a ray. Ray means this is also part of a line, but only one end point. One side you can extend. So only one end point. Part of a line having only one end point means it is called a ray. Next, point means what? It is a position. See here, this is a point. One dot is there means it is a point. It is usually represented by a dot, and we have to write here capital letters. All names also we will write with capital letters. See here. Next, this AB line is there. How you will mention this one? AB. Line is there means, see here, upside you take arrow both sides. Next, line segment. Line segment means how you will write? AB, like this, only this much line. Next, ray is there means how you will write? Ray means A, B, you write one side arrow mark. This is a, this is a dot, this is the base. Now we will learn types of angles. Carefully listen. First of all, angle means what? See here, this is one ray, this is one ray. Meeting point here will form a angle. See here, this ray is called arm, and this ray also is called arm. Next, this point is called the vertex. Now see here types of angles. Angles how will form? See, carefully listen. These two rays are there. They are same places there. They are not extending. So now which degree it is? A 0 degree angle. Now extending. See here. Now which angle? Acute angle. Next, right angle. Next, extend, obtuse angle. Next, it is a straight angle. Next, reflex angle. Again it will rotate. Again see here, one revolution over means it is a complete angle. So 0 angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Next, one revolution finished means it is a complete angle. So acute angle, right angle, these all angles are there. First of all, acute angle means what? More than 0 degree, less than 90 degrees, that means it is called a acute angle. Example, you take a 60 degree. 60 degrees is a acute angle. Why? Means more than 0, less than 90 is there. Next, 70 degree acute angle. 89 degree also acute angle. These are all the examples of acute angle. Acute angle means more than 0, less than 90 is there, means it is called a acute angle. Next, right angle. See beta, this is a right angle. Right angle means exact 90 degrees there, means it is called a right angle. Next, obtuse angle. See here, more than 90. More than 90 is there, means it is called a obtuse angle. Example, I am taking 120 degree. obtuse angle. Next 150 degree, obtuse angle. So obtuse angle means more than 90, less than 180 is there, means it is called a obtuse angle. Next, which angle? Straight angles here. Straight angle means like straight is there, means it is called a straight angle. How much degree straight angle? 180 degree. 180 degrees there, means it is called a straight angle. Next, reflex angles here. Here will form no reflex angles here. It is called a reflex angle. Reflex angle means more than 180, less than 360 is there, means it is called a reflex angle. Next, complete angle. One round it is finished, means it is called a complete angle. Complete angle means how much degree? 360 degree. These are all the types of angles. Okay, now we will learn pairs of angles. What is a complementary angles? What is a supplementary angles? Complementary angles means any two angles sum 90 degrees there, means these two angles is called complementary angles. Example, any two angles you take. I am taking 50 degree, 40 degree. 50 plus 40 how much? 90 degree. So these two angles are which angles? Complementary angles. Example, anyone you take, I am taking 10 degree plus 80 degree. How much degree? 90 degree. So these two angles are which angles? Complementary angles. Next you take 20 degree plus 70 degree. Total how much? 90 degree. So like this, any two angles sum 90 degrees there, means these two angles are called complementary angles. Next we will come the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means any two angles sum 180 degrees there, means it is called a supplementary angles. Example, I am taking one is 120 degree, one is 60 degree. 120 plus 60 how much degree? 180 degree. So these two angles are which angles? Supplementary angles. Example, you take one more 130 degree. I am taking 130 degree plus 50 degree. Total how much degree? 180 degree. So like this you can take 90 degree plus 90 degree. Total how much? 180 degree. These two angles are which angles? Supplementary angles. Otherwise I am taking 100 degree plus 80 degree. Total how much? 180 degree. So any two angles sum 180 degrees there, means it is called a supplementary angles. Any two angles sum 90 degrees there, means it is a complementary. Any two angles sum 180 is there, means supplementary angles. Okay. Now we will learn what is the adjacent angle, what is a linear pair. We will learn. Carefully listen. Adjacent angles means what? Two angles are adjacent if they have the common arm. See, I am here taking two angles. This is angle A, this is angle B. This angle, only one common arm is there. So this angle is a adjacent angle. Otherwise, I am taking here one more angle. A, B, here I am taking C. See here, B, C are the adjacent angles. Why means angle B, angle C, middle one common arm is there. So this type of angles is called adjacent angles. See beta. Here how many? 3, 4 angles I am taking. A, B, C. One more angle also I will take D. Here which one is the adjacent? A and B. A, B is the adjacent angles. Next, BC is the adjacent angle. B, C adjacent angles. These two are the adjacent angles. Why means this angle, middle common arm is there. So BC is the adjacent. Again CD also adjacent. CD angle, middle one common arm is there. So this type of angles is called adjacent angles. Here like this angles is there, means middle we want a common angle. This angle, one common arm is there, means these two angles are called adjacent. Here one more is there. A, B, C. A and C adjacent angles? No. B and C is the adjacent angles. Otherwise, A and B is the adjacent angles. Here I am taking one more angle. D I am taking. See, D and A also adjacent angles. Here this angle, middle one common arm is there, means these two angles is called adjacent angles, and non-common arms are different side of the arm. One common arm. This is a non-common arm. One common arm want this side, both side we want non-common arm. So adjacent angles means here continue this angle, common arm is there, means these two angles is called the adjacent angles. Next we will come to linear pair. What is the linear pair? See here, one straight line is there, means we will get the linear pair. Straight line means what? It is a 180 degree. So these two angles sum is the linear pair. Okay, one straight line forming two angles means that is called a linear pair. Example, this is 60 degree, this is a 120. 120, 60, how much degree? 180 degree. Linear pair means one straight line is there, means it is a linear pair. See here, adjacent angles whose sum is these two also adjacent angles. See here, this angle, middle one common arm is there. So these two angles adjacent angles also, but it is some straight line is there, means these two angles is called a linear pair. Linear pair means nothing, one straight line forming angle is called a linear pair. Straight line 180 degrees. The straight line means finish. It is 180 degree. Here forming, here 50 degree, here 130 degree. Both angles, this straight line is there, means it is called a linear pair. Okay. Now we will learn what is a intersecting lines. See beta, intersecting lines. This is a intersecting lines. Here how many angles will form? 1, 2, 3, 4 angles will form. Here opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This angle equal to this angle equal to this angle. This type of angles is called intersecting lines. See beta, here intersecting lines. I am giving the name. This is AB line. This is CD line. Here will form how many angles? We will give the name. One angle, two angle. How many angles? Three angles will form. Here four angles. So here these two is the vertically opposite angles. These two vertically opposite angles are equal, and these two also vertically opposite angles. These two also equal. Now you can write angle 1. This angle I am I am giving 1. Otherwise AOC right here, DOB right. Otherwise you give the name angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Both are equal. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. This is the short form, vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Next, angle 4 is equal to angle 2. These two also vertically opposite angles. Both are equal angles. This is 30 means this is also 30. This is 40 means this is also 40. This is 70 means this is also 70. So vertically opposite angles. In this vertically opposite angle, this angle degree you will get same. Again this equal to this. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So this angles is called intersecting lines. This line meet one point. Here will form four angles. These vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, non-intersecting lines. Non-intersecting means they can't meet anywhere. So now we will take a parallel lines. See, but these two are which lines? Parallel lines. So they meet anywhere. How much extended also they can't meet anywhere. So this parallel lines is called a non-intersecting lines. Here distance should be same. See here, this distance. See here, this distance every time it should be same in parallel lines. Okay. So this parallel lines is called non-intersecting lines. So PQ parallel to RS. PQ. This is the symbol parallel. PQ parallel to RS. This is a non-intersecting lines. Non-intersecting lines example what? Parallel lines. Next we will move to perpendicular lines. See here, perpendicular lines means this is a perpendicular line. Here every angle how much degree? This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Perpendicular means how much degree? It is a 90 degree. This is the intersecting line. This is a non-intersecting line. Parallel lines is a non-intersecting lines. This lines is called a perpendicular. Here 90 degrees there means this angles is called a perpendicular lines. Now we will learn parallel lines properties. See beta. Two parallel lines cut by the transversal. This line is called a transversal. This two is a parallel lines. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal means here will form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles will form. See here once again I will say two parallel lines cut by a transversal means here will form 8 angles. So here what is the exterior angles? Exterior angles means outside angles. So what are the exterior angles? 1, 2, 7, 8. This 4 is the exterior angles. Right here what are the exterior angles? Angle 1. Next angle 2, next outside angle 7, next angle 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. These are all the exterior angles. Next we will write here interior angles. Interior angles means inside angles. 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are the interior angles? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. These are all the exterior. 3, 4, 5, 6 are the interior angles. 1, 2, 7, 8 is the exterior angles. Next we will learn corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means beta. This line upside angle and this line upside angle. So this one. Angle 1, angle 5 is the corresponding angles. So now write here corresponding angles here. Angle 1, angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Next, downside angles. See here, line down angle, this line down angle. So angle 4 is equal to angle 8. See here, this angle corresponding angle. So next you come this transversal, this side. This is the right side, this is the left side. You come left side, line is there. Upside angle, what is there? 2. Here upside angle, what is there? 6. So angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Corresponding angles are equal. Next line down angle 6, 3. Here line down angle 7. So angle 3 is equal to angle 7. These angles is called corresponding angle. See better. Line is there, up angle, again up angle. Next time line down angle, down angle. These angles are equal. Next angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Next angle 3 is equal to angle 7. These angles is called corresponding angles. Next, alternate interior angles. Alternate angles means like this line is there means this angle, this angle. So here will form Z form angles here. Z is there means this angle is a alternate. Which angles we will take? First interior we will take. This line is there. So this alternate angles. Again this is the alternate angles here. Like this Z is there means this one alternate angle. Next this one is the alternate angles. First we will see interior. What is there? Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Right here angle 4 is equal to angle 6. See here Z form is there 4, 6. Next 3, 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Which angle? This is a alternate interior angles. Next alternate exterior angles. Outside 1, 7, 2, 8. Line is there. Here 1, 7. Z form. 1, 7, 2, 8. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Alternate exterior. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Next, co-interior angles. Co-interior angles means interior angles on same side of the transversal. See, this transversal is there means these two interior angles, same side of the transversal means these two angles. These two angles sum how much degree? 180 degree. Interior angle, same side of the transversal sum is 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 also 180 degree. So now you write angle 3 plus angle 6. How much degree? 180 degree. Next angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. Co-interior angles means as interior angle same side of the transversal. Interior angle, this angle, interior angle same side of the transversal. That angles is called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles sum always how much degree? 180 degree. So exterior angles, exterior angles, outside angles. Next interior angles. This 4 is the interior angles. Next corresponding angles. 1, 5 corresponding. 4, 8 corresponding. 2, 6 corresponding. 3, 7 corresponding. Okay. Line up number one time we will take. Line down number we will take one time. So corresponding angles are equal. Next alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angle means 4, 6. Next 3, 5. Alternate interior angles also equal. Next alternate angles also equal. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Next, last co-interior angles 4, 5. Same side of the transverse side. Interior angle, same side of the transverse. So, angle 4 plus angle 5, how much degree? 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6, how much degree? Angle 3 plus angle 6 also 180 degree. This is the information about the lines and angles. Again, axioms also is there. Again, theorems also is there. First exercise after we will learn axioms and theorems. This all is there. We will learn later. This information is about the first exercise. I hope are you clear? I think again you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel.